Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an oxygen tank in Fisch Roblox. First, you'll want to launch the Fisch game on Roblox. Once you're in, navigate directly to the main shop area. This is where most essential items are sold. Make sure you have enough in-game currency, as the oxygen tank isn't free. Having your funds ready will make the process much smoother and quicker. Once inside the shop, you'll need to find the section specifically for diving equipment. The oxygen tank is usually grouped with other underwater gear like flippers or diving masks. Take a moment to locate it among the various items. You'll notice its price, which is generally around $1,000 in-game cash for the basic oxygen tank. Confirming the price helps you manage your currency effectively before making the purchase. After confirming the price, simply click to purchase the oxygen tank. The transaction should be quick if you have enough currency. Once purchased, open your character's inventory. You'll find the new oxygen tank there. Select it and choose the option to equip it to your character. This makes it active and ready for your underwater adventures, allowing you to breathe freely. With your oxygen tank equipped, you can now explore underwater areas for much longer periods. Keep an eye on the oxygen meter, which will appear on your screen, indicating how much air you have left. When it gets low, remember to surface or find an air pocket to refill. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your extended dives in Fisch Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.